I'm Mayumi. Hi guys, I'm Mayumi. And I'm just setting up for cupcakes. We already done the butter. Now we're separating things. We need some butter like this so we can make the cupcakes. And the cupcakes won't even stick if we put butter. All we need is the butter. If you guys want to make muffin things, you need to wash your hands and put butter in these cupcake rolls. What? See? Just butter, and so they don't stick. And then, but licking the butter. Don't lick the butter. It tastes good, but don't lick it. No licking it.
What happens if we lick it? We lick it.
If you lick it all the time, you'll get sick.
Why?
Because butter is not healthy for you.
Okay. Look at the camera.
Yeah, butter is not healthy for you.
Okay. So, tell them exactly what are you gonna make today.
We're making muffin things.
A chocolate chip muffin.
A chocolate chip muffin.
Okay. First, you're gonna tell them what ingredients do they need.
You need white flour, 1 egg, chocolate chips, and you also need to make these. You need these thingy things.
Yeah.
And then you need ingredients. And then
you need white sugar.
And you need a vanilla extract too.
Vanilla extract too. Okay, what else? Chocolate chip,
yeah.
egg. You tell them that we will put the ingredients in the description below.
Yeah, below.
Yeah. So are you ready?
Yeah, I'm done icing, Mama.
Alrighty. First, we're going to set the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, it's starting there. I'm preheating it. I'm gonna give you this one. This will be for you.
Since I'm a big girl.
You're a big girl.
Ooh, what?
So in the bowl, we need to combine the 2 cups of flour.
2 cups of flour?
Yeah, it's 2 cups. Okay, here you go. Can you mix it, please?
Okay.
And then we would need one half cup of white sugar. Show them. You cannot give them your back. Over here.
Here.
Put the leg down, please, and move over here. On the other side. Over here. There you go. Mix it, please.
Yep.
Show them what you have.
We have flour, and what else do we need? Salt.
So inside here I have 3 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna mix it in the flour mixture too for you. And
also we need 1 egg too.
we will. I'll let you know when to put it. Then we're gonna put our chocolate chips. This is our chocolate chips.
Whoa!
See?
Whoosh.
There you go.
Now
We
chocolate.
use the semi-sweet chocolate chips.
Yes,
And you need to.
Whoa,
That's
sorry,
okay.
Mama.
We'll clean up.
It was an accident.
Mm-hmm.
I was accident, Mama. And the whole bowl was spinning.
Is it? You hold it with your other hands.
And the whole bowl is mixing.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it mixed yet?
Not yet.
Okay,
Now it's
so
done.
in this bowl.
Now it's mixed, you know.
Okay, put it down. I'm gonna get you a smaller hand mixer.
Sorry.
Okay.
Clean.
We set that aside. I'm gonna get you a smaller mixer.
You, because I'm still a little small.
Okay, so what I'm gonna put there is 3/4 cups of milk.
Yep.
Yeah, so I just put them here.
Yeah.
3/4 cup of milk.
Yeah. That you need a grown up to do this.
Yes, you need the help, right?
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna crack the egg. Are you ready?
Only when I say 1, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crack.
There you go. We crack it there like so.
Yeah. Make sure you mix it all together. So that's how you make those.
Okay.
And be careful to spill milk.
Yeah, no spilling allowed. Okay, so next, is it mixed already? Can I help you a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just do it quickly for you.
Because the egg needs to be mixed.
Yeah, it needs to be beaten.
And mixed too. I want to do it faster.
Okay. Here, I'm gonna put the oil first. And here I have a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. We use vegetable oil instead of butter. Because Mama forgot to melt our butter.
Ooh. Almost I can smell them.
Can I help you with that now?
Yeah.
Please and thank you.
Yeah.
Now Mama finalize it.
Yeah, the oil, I just a little spilled it. It was by accident.
That's okay. Things happen.
It happens a lot. Did you know, Jimmy said, yeah, happens a lot. Huh.
Oh. Okay, so now it should be okay.
And shimmer and
What
shine.
I'm gonna do, I'm gonna
Shimmer
bring back
and
our
shine.
mixture of flour,
Shimmer
salt,
and
and
shine.
other dried ingredients.
Show. Magic divine.
Okay, so are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna mix this inside, okay? Like
Okay.
so.
Yeah, it's always needed grown up.
Yes.
That's a little too hard.
A little
See?
bit too hard. You
I need the spatula to go
you need
like
me
this.
to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, let me help you then.
Can I do with the smaller one? I like the smaller one. It's
Of course you
better.
can. Okay, can I have this spatula, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Shimmer and shine. Oh, magic divine. I kind of got confused. Shimmer was the blue one and shine was the pink one.
Oh.
Shimmer and shine. Oh. Can you do mine too after yours?
Yes, I could. All right.
Because it's all freaking
There is
milk.
a chocolate chip inside. Okay. Don't touch, please. Did you wash your hands this time?
Yeah, I washed it.
Very clean.
Yeah, very, very clean.
Here you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Can I do that?
Let me just mix it a little bit and then I'll
Okay.
let you do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. That was by accident.
It's all right.
They need to be mixed together. So I'm just mixing them so they can. I'm just putting them to the other side so the cupcakes can be nice and smooth and dry.
Okay, I'm gonna add. So Mama never measured the vanilla extract because Mama likes it. So I'm just gonna add that one there.
You can. I'm just doing this so it can be nice and smooth and stretched.
Okay.
I want to bury the chocolates. so that I can find it when he's done. Ooh. Besides, where is he?
Who?
Dada.
I don't know. He's upstairs.
I think he's downstairs. At the bottom of the basement.
In the basement?
Mm.
I'm not sure where he is.
I think he's upstairs. You think him is downstairs?
I think he is upstairs.
I think he's upstairs too.
How about Mama? Can Mama mix it?
No,
Or you want to do it?
I want to do it. I'm doing the highest because I'm just trying to make them smile and make the chocolates go under so that I will never find them. Hey,
Can I borrow this drawer here? Because I need to grab some spoon. Thank you.
Can you? For what? Here you go, Mommy. You can use it. What I need the spoon for?
For scooping our batter.
And then after we scoop it?
We put it in the baking sheets that we prepare.
Oh,
We prepare. I mean,
is it done yet?
not yet.
I can put the spoon. Hey.
Gonna use metal knife this time.
Now I can scoop it?
Yes.
Okay.
So show them how the batter would look like.
See that the chocolate goes into the thing that we made. Mama, we put in a hand and then we put in there.
Yes, we're putting it in this muffin tin
So
that we prepared
like
earlier.
this.
No, you're supposed to use your spoon.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Sticky.
Okay, give me that.
Monster.
You need to use the spoon.
That tickles, Mama.
It's okay. You wait then.
Sticky.
Oh,
Sticky.
yeah, our oven is ready. It's waiting for us.
Sticky, sticky, sticky.
Give me the
I'm
hands,
trying
please.
to open my hands.
Okay, let's
Let's
save
stick
this chocolate chip in there. Okay.
Whoa. I kind of know you need to put in the spoon, put in it.
Yeah, we're only doing that when we're making what did we make last time? The bread.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you have to mush it with your hands. But with muffin, you have to use something because it's a little bit sticky.
Yeah, and it'll never come out.
It will, but you need to wash your hands.
Yeah. And you need to follow what your mom says.
You need to follow what your mom says.
Mm-hmm.
What did your mommy say today?
Sit down. Yeah.
Okay.
Listen to me.
Let's go. All right, so I'm gonna show you how Mama's gonna do it. Okay. And wash your hands again. So raise your
Where's my spoon?
No, so it's like this. You grab the butter from inside. You scoop like this.
And then put it in.
And then
this thing.
yeah, and then put it here,
This?
like so.
I want to do it.
Yeah. Hold the spoon. Hold the
Okay.
spoon.
Okay.
There you go.
I said take.
Okay. There you go. You need more. That's not gonna be enough. That would be a small muffin.
Mommy can do it.
Okay.
I suppose.
There you go.
And what are these sugar for?
That's just extra. I'm gonna put something here after.
Oh, maybe I can make something with them.
We need to find a good spot to put our camera because
Okay, Mama. Is my jar clean?
Your jar?
Yeah.
No, I don't know where your jar is.
Or do you have an empty container?
What are you doing? Why are you holding the bum bum? You're cooking. You're not supposed to hold bum bum when you're cooking.
Mommy, do you have one small container that I can use?
Not right now. I think we have to put the camera up so they can see when we're making it.
Of course.
Okay, hold on.
We're just continuing.
Show them what you made.
Look at the muffins.
So I think we're supposed to put a little bit of brown sugar, Mayumi.
Yeah, we need to put a little bit of brown sugar. Okay.
Yes. So you wanna help me spoon the brown sugar?
Yeah, spoon flex.
Just like this, see? You just have to.
Okay, me too.
Okay, do it. You just sprinkle them. You don't have to put everything.
Yeah, wait.
Hold it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All of them. Okay. This is done. This one, please. Can add a little bit more on the other one. Good job. Good girl. Where did you get this recipe from? From the internet.
Mommy, there.
Here. There's one more here. Can you put a little bit more there? Okay, good girl. All right. So what do you say to them now?
Bye bye.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
What else? See, we will show you a picture of the final results.
Yeah.
Right? The baked muffin.
Yeah. Big
Okay.
muffin.
And
Yeah.
you tell them thank you for
Thank you for
watching.
watching.
Don't forget.
To subscribe.
Good girl. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.